Hello there, it's Kostya Kimlat. This is a video for magicians only. If you are not a magician, there's a really cute kitten video that's linked below. You can watch that instead. You can watch Fool Us videos, all you like. But if you're a magician, welcome. I'm here to share with you the good news that warning, my trick warning, is back. Warning is a simple, fast, quick visual bar trick where you take a lighter, you peel off the warning label, you light it, there's a flash of fire, and it instantly comes back onto the lighter. It's really fun to perform, quick to do, and it's great for professionals as well as hobbyists who are just doing magic for their friends and family at a bar or restaurant. Now, if you're not a magician, you're still watching this, you're probably thinking, wait a minute, magicians sell their tricks, they buy their tricks? And in this case, yes. So I've come up with many of my own tricks that I've shared and I've taught to magicians around the world. And this one, when I came up with the idea, in order to have it manufactured, I had to have 100,000 of these printed up. And so I decided to share it with the magic community. And it's been on sale for over 10 years. This is now the fourth iteration, the fourth printing, and I'm really excited this one. I just got this in the mail, so I'm gonna open up the package and let's take a look at what's inside. And I'm so excited. This is heavy duty, sealed inside here. Now you also get the link for the instructions, but inside here, you get the little package of paper. So you get the stickers, and then inside here is the flash paper. So this is the warning labels, and you get 50 or 100 of these, and I can tell you right now that these are the best ones that we have had printed yet. This is awesome. I can tell the thickness is great, the printing is extra sharp, crystal clear, and it matches. We've changed the size slightly on the printing so that these stickers match the paper identically. I mean, millimeter for millimeter. You can't tell the difference between the flash paper and the real paper, the real stickers that come with it. So that's the real sticker here. You get 5 or 10 of these, depending if you get a package of 50 or 100 gimmicks. And then you'll cut these up and you'll put them in a little storing container when you're off to perform. And I cannot tell you how happy I am to have this in my hands. Awesome. One last closing thought. This is a trick for professional magicians. If you're watching this and you think you figured out the trick and it's easy, you're probably right, and you have no interest in doing it, it's totally fine. Because any real professional magician who performs out in the real world knows the value of having a quick visual trick to break the ice. And professional magicians know that the method can be simple and the effect is the most important, the most powerful thing. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh, that's a simple, easy trick, then it's probably not for you. But if you're watching this and you're thinking, this is a simple trick that I can do for my audiences, then I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you practice it safely and have fun performing it. Thanks.